Hello, lovely learners at home. Welcome to lesson 3 of making pictures. And our substrand for today is secondary colors. Last week we learned under primary colors, and this time around we are now coming to throw more light on secondary colors. Before we proceed on to secondary colors, let's do a quick recap of what we learned last week. 1. How will you describe primary colors? Question 2. How many primary colors do we have? And the last one, we are to name them. So taking the questions one by one. When we talk of primary colors over here are said to be the mother of all colors. They are colors that stands on their own, and moreover, no other colors can be mixed to get them. Considering the number of colors we have under primary colors, they are 3. These are red, yellow, and blue. These 3 colors makes up the primary colors. So this is what we learned last week. Let's now come to our main business for today, which is secondary colors. When we talk of secondary colors are obtained by mixing 2 primary colors together in equal proportion. By mixing 2 primary colors together in equal proportion. So when it comes to mixing your primary colors to obtain a secondary color, don't forget the proportion here should be equal. No matter the colors that you may pick, there should be equality when it comes to the color mixing. And this will certainly give you the right secondary color which you are after. So, the 3 primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. So, we are now going to mix or combine these 2 primary colors to see if we can obtain a secondary color. Let's now do some mixing over here. So, our first mixture, we have red and yellow. So, when we combine red and we add yellow to it, at the long run, what do we get? We obtain orange. So orange in the center of red and yellow is a secondary color. The next one, yellow and blue. So let's move on and see the outcome. When you have your yellow and obtaining your color blue, when you mix these in equal proportion, you also obtain color green. So the second secondary color here is color green. Now the third mixing, red plus blue. So let's find out red and our color blue. When we mix this in equal proportion, we end up obtaining violet. So the mixture of red and blue will result in violet. Therefore, our main primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. And our main secondary colors are orange, green, and violet. Before we proceed on, let's watch this short video which gives us more explanation to our color mixing.
Red and yellow makes orange.
Orange.
Blue and red makes purple.
Purple.
Blue and yellow makes green.
Green.
white makes pink.
Pink.
Black and orange makes brown.
Brown.
Red and yellow makes orange. Blue and red makes purple. Blue and yellow makes green. Black and white makes gray. Red and white makes pink. Black and orange makes brown.
Please do subscribe for more edutainment videos.
Alright, so what we just watched gives us more explanation to how colors can be obtained. So we now take our repetitional questions. Those of you who couldn't do it, this is for you. So the question says we are to list 5 natural objects, each of the following primary colors. We have red, yellow, and blue. And what it means here is that when you take color red, you look for 5 natural objects which bears color red. The same thing applies to yellow and that of your blue. Today's homework. List 5 natural objects, each of the following secondary colors: orange, green, and violet. So what we did to our primary colors, we are doing the same thing to that of our secondary colors. You take your secondary color, an example being orange, you state 5 natural objects which bears color orange. The same thing applies to green and that of violet. But above all these, don't forget to attach your student ID on your script or onto all presentations which you will end up sending to me. Next week on Creative Art Time, we will now move on to mixing and application. So the colors we just observed, the mixtures we just observed, we are now going to do it practically to see how best we can use it in terms of making pictures. If you have any question, any answer, any script to submit, you can send it through my email sagashos59@gmail.com or through my WhatsApp number 0240 900 650. See you same time next week. Have a blessed day and bye for now.